Solid waste management.
Development and completion of modern landfill. 1. Excavation and installation of landfill liner. 2. Locate the solid waste in landfill. 3. Cutaway through completed landfill. Preparation of site for landfilling. A. Rerouting the drainage. Drainage of the landfill area itself must be modified to route water away from the initial fill area.
Construction of road, wading facilities and installation of fences.
B. Excavation and preparation of landfill bottom and subsurface sites. Phase zone. Landfill bottom. Soil berm. The placement of the waste. The waste is placed in a cell a day. The waste must be placed in a manner to keep compacted wheels away from the leachate collecting.
After one or more lifts have been placed, horizontal gas recovery trenches can be excavated in the completed surface. Post-closure management.
Monitoring and maintenance of the completed landfill must continue by law for some time after closure, 30 to 50 years. To ensure that landfill surface be maintained and repaired to enhance drainage. Gas and leachate control systems should be maintained and operated. Monitor pollution detection system. Layers of closed landfill. Protective cover. Native grasses and shrubs cover the closed landfill and later the area is recreation park. Top-and covers soil. Protect the landfill cap while supports and maintains the growth of vegetation. Geomembrane protective cover, red layer. Geomembrane and clay consist of compacted clay and a HDPE layer. This cap layer conserves the landfill by preventing rainwater from soaking into the waste. Escape of landfill gas. Layers of working landfill. Daylight cover. Soil layer, which usually 6 to 12 inches thick, is spread on top of the waste to minimize foul smelling. Prevent the waste from scattering due to wind blowing. Prevent invasion from animals such as dogs, flies, etc. Waste. Volume of waste is reduced by compacting the waste in landfill. Sand and gravel layer. Functions as a funnel to collect the liquid produced from decomposition of waste in the leachate collecting pipe systems. Leachate collecting pipe system. The collected leachate is pumping out from the landfill for further treatment and disposal. Geomembrane, plastic layer. This layer, thick, tough and impermeable, made from HDPE, serves as liners to prevent leachate from penetrating the ground. Clay layer. Clay, due to its moldable and impermeable qualities, is used as the base layer in landfill to form a barrier to prevent leakage of leachate. Challenges of a landfill. Production of leachate contaminating the groundwater. Production of methane from anaerobic decomposition of the waste. Incomplete decomposition, 100-year-old newspaper was found in the landfill. Landfill sinks as trash decomposed. Neighborhood oppose having a landfill within their vicinity. Landfill process.
A landfill is essentially a hole in the ground that we throw our garbage into. However, this hole needs preparation. Before any garbage can be placed into the hole, pipes to hold gas, liner systems, and leachate control systems need to be created and placed on site. These systems need to be thorough and correct, so they will sit for 50 years after the landfill is closed to ensure no detriment to the environment around it.
Plows are used to excavate the soil and then create compacted clay to ensure nothing will go through the layers. Then a leachate drainage layer is created where the garbage can go and be stored with no problems. Cells are compacted from several thousand tons into cubic yards by bulldozers, tractors, graders, and rollers. Once garbage is compacted, it is covered with several inches of soil and compacted again. The cells then become part of rows and layers of other cells, called lifts. Available space is directly related to the usable life of a landfill.
Each individual part of the landfill has a specific purpose. The bottom liner separates and prevents the buried waste from coming into contact with underlying natural soils and groundwater, and usually contains some sort of compacted clay holding it. The leachate collection system is used so that the bottom surface of the landfill is closed to a low point called a sump. This is where any liquids that are trapped inside the landfill, otherwise known as leachate, are collected and removed from the landfill. This usually contains some sort of system of pipes or cracks to leach out the liquid so that they do not want on site or to leave the site itself into surrounding environments.
Since the garbage is decomposing anaerobically, there will be an accumulation of methane gas, which is a huge detriment to the environment. What is needed for this problem is a system of pipes to suck out the methane from the mass of garbage and to store and hold onto it, to ensure the runoff of garbage does not occur and lead to pollution of other environments.
Then, finally, the cell is capped off with at least 6 inches of compacted soil. During the process of a landfill, there are groundwater monitoring stations to make sure no pollution has made it into the flowing groundwater in a community.
1. Planning and citing the landfill level are essential for estimating costs, for obtaining bids, and operational control and inspection. Leslie, 2. Landfilling process and operations consist of site preparation, waste arrival, compacting, decomposition, gas, leachate and new land.